The Mighty Tale of Fable and Maine draws inspiration from our grandparents, where ancient secrets became modern miracles. They showed us within each of us is a hidden wilderness, untamed and free, and as rooted as the deepest forest. Through the art of oiling and braiding, we learned there is strength in softness. Today, the tiger embodies the spirit of Fable and Maine, where we protect your hair and their habitat. For healthy hair that's wildly you, we learned our strongest roots lie deep within, and no matter how far we may travel, we always take them with us. Fable and Maine, Ancient Secrets, Modern Hair Care.